This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring both devices are current. This avoids compatibility errors. On your iPhone, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then open the Watch app and choose Pair New Watch. You'll scan the animation or tap to pair manually, so have the watch screen ready. Once paired, follow on-screen prompts to enable location, Siri, and diagnostics. These permissions let apps sync properly. Make sure you choose Restore from Backup, or Set up as New to Control, which data and apps transfer now. Once paired, you manage apps through the My Watch tab or directly on the App Store inside the Watch app. If you enable automatic app install, iPhone apps with Watch companions push automatically. Otherwise, tap Install next to individual apps. For each app, configure permissions and choose complications to show key data on watch faces. Syncing can take time. Keep devices close. If an app doesn't appear, check its compatibility and toggle airplane mode off and on to force resync. You finish by confirming every app completed installation and appears on your watch. If an app is stuck, restart the watch first because simple reboots clear temporary errors. Make sure both devices run the latest OS, then try reinstalling the app or signing out and back into Apple ID to refresh entitlements. If sync errors persist, use Reset Sync data in the Watch app, and only if necessary unpair and repair the watch. That rebuilds the connection and resolves deep sync or profile issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.